Hey, what's up traders, Dave FX Hunter here, and this video will change your life. You all was asking me about this cool and amazing COT Excel sheet, if I can provide it, if I can help you to create your own ones, and etc, etc. And my answer was all this maybe 3 or 4 years, how long I'm using COT in my trading. The answer was always no. Because I simply spent a lot of time to developing it, and every weekend updating the data, collecting it. It every Saturday took me like 2 hours to collect the data, update the formulas in the Excel sheet, so then I could come out with some results and some of the data which I could use for the trading. So what if the answer right now will be yes? How amazing is that? So yes, well, the answer is yes now for you. And here is the thing: I actually didn't update my COT sheet for more than 1 month. I'm simply not doing it anymore. And right now, I will tell you why. And here is the answer. I basically have it on my website, and it's automatically updated, and it's much more cool than in my Excel sheet. So look at it. Just go to my website, which is www.fxhunterworld.com, and here is this tab called COT. So then just simply click on it, and it will be asking you to your email. So you will just simply fill up the free fxhunterworld.com, free at fxhunterworld.com, send, and it will give you the access to my trading tool, which I'm using as a somehow as like a web dashboard, right? So here is the retail positions. I will speak about it a little bit later, but just quickly I want to go to the COT, and here it is. So what do I see here is the COT data for all pairs which I'm trading, and for all the instruments which I need to watch. So here on the bottom is the palette of the instruments which I'm trading, and it's divided by the groups, where how I'm putting the currencies together into the basket. So here is the S&P 500 and the Cooper. S&P 500, of course, the big index of the shares and the stocks in the US. Cooper is a big indicator of the economy. If the company is buying the Cooper, mostly the S&P can go up as well. The next one is USD, Swiss franc, JPY, safe haven currencies. Next one is the euro currencies. I mean the euro and the pound. Of course, the pound will not be anymore when the Brexit is done. The next one is the commodity currencies: Aussie CAD, Kiwi, Mexican peso, and another one is the commodities, which is the gold, silver, oil, platinum, palladium, and last three are the indexes like VIX, Nasdaq, Dow Jones, and the totally last one is the BTC. However, I would not use this. Maybe I will delete the Bitcoin, because the whales are not trading it on this markets. They're mostly using the other markets to trade it, so they can hide their positions, right? So you can basically, all the buttons are working, so you can click just the USD, and it will bring you the US dollar contract. As we can see, the dollar is getting smashed right now, and it's the first time in this year getting into the minus, into the negative net position, so it will go probably much deeper, right? Next one, if we look to the US, let's say Swiss franc, so we can see it will bring on the left side Swiss franc, on the other side US dollar, so we can easily compare, right? And it works like this with every, so we can have euro into euro USD. Which is pretty cool feature is if you want to compare, let's say if you want to trade euro GBP, you can click euro and the GBP here, euro GBP, and it will brings you the euro on the, sorry, I wouldn't want to use this tool. It will bring you the euro on the left side and the pound on the right side, so you can compare it and you can see how the big players are buying and how they becoming bullish on the euro. And so they have a 117 positive net positions, and on the pound they have minus 15. So I can bet you that if you look right now to the chart, euro GBP will be going up, right? So but this video is not about to explain how to use it. You will definitely find your style. So this is just to show how you can compare all the pairs in here. Here on the bottom is in the default you can see the net positions of the non-commercials and the commercials. You can of course bring the shorts, long, everything, so you can watch all these things, how is it changing in the history. However, what I like the most is to watch the net positions of the commercials and non-commercials. Defaultly it will brings you the 1 year history. However, what you can do, you can set up 10-year history here on the bottom, or you can even bring the more bigger history than that. So then you can watch all these moments when the net of the commercials and non-commercials exchange at their direction. So you will see how the trend reversals and trend changes came into the markets. So what is cool, you simply click on it and you can scroll down and it will be showing you complete history, complete all the data here. Here on the top you can see these calculations, which means basically nothing else than just we have the 13 weeks average. So that means that if our longs positions are these, I'm sorry, let me use this one. So we have the average of these. This is the average of the 13 weeks. This is the average of the 113 weeks. This is the maximum longs positions and the minimum short positions in the, of course, 10 years, right? So if you want to change it to the 1 year, this will probably change the number, right? So this is the maximum historical positions in the 1 year, right? 5 years and 10 years maybe, yeah. So you can use this for the good informations. Of course, if the biggest historical positions comes, then mostly the market makers taking the profit. So there is the trend change is coming. So alright, this is everything about the COT. How cool is that? Look at it. You have completely everything what you need to know what the market makers are doing. And right now let's look to the other side, which is this tab called sentiment. And now look how cool is that. So we go to check our sentiment, and here is the retail traders positions. So what's that mean? This is actually the data collected from the retail traders accounts connected to the MyFX book. So right now you might thinking, alright, but this is not the complete data from the whole market. But trust me, the thinking and the mentality is mostly the same. So what we can see here, for example, here we can see that on the Aussie CAT we have the 92% traders shorting this pair and 8% of traders taking the long. So I can bet you this market is going definitely up right now. And what we can do here as well, we can do this filtering. So we can, for example, we can set it up so we can see where the retail traders are taking the most shorts and where they are taking the most longs, and we can trade against them. And what is the best is to trade with the COT direction against the retail traders, and it's very easy, and I will show in the another videos how to do it. For example, right now I can see what I can see as well here. I don't see only the short percentage, so I can see, for example, here, right? What I see as well is the volume, and what is the most important is average short and average long price. And as well what I can see how the how this volume. So for example, right now they are 8, right? So I can see how they come into this 8. So they come into the 8% longs from the 10, 9, 9, blah blah blah. So basically the volume is what's that mean? We can see that they are shorting right now 92%, and they've been 90, 90.4, 90.7, 92. So the shorts are of the retail are growing. So let's check it in the platform. So if we go, all right, this is the GBP CAD trade. I will show you why I enter it like this later. So here is the what we can see in the platform right now. So they are 8% of the longs and 92 to the shorts. So we can see the price is going up, right? As showed in my indicator, 92% are shorts and 8% long. So most likely the price will break up, and it's actually the breaking. Now I will show you this GBP CAD trade which we had in my signal service today. It was actually amazing entry. Look how we entered. The trade was actually the buy limit. I think if you look at it like this, give me a second. Let me bring it here. So it's actually this trade. So it's actually this trade. Where I posted this buy limit, right? You probably don't see it properly. So what I did is actually I have seen that the retail traders are 39% to the short side, and they are more 60% to the long side. But why I didn't go short? It's simple. Look what I can see in the platform, and it will be the upgrade of this what you can see on the website. So what I see here, if I click to this one, to the candles, I can see the history of their prices, and what do I see is here is this. Look, here was the numbers was it was something like 38% to the short side. It was growing, and then boom, the market makers took the price up, and look what happened then. Price is moving up, and the shorts were growing, because right now they are something like how much? How much was it? 39. So actually the shorts are growing while the price is going up. So the retail traders were trapped. They been caught in the trap in here. So what I was expecting here when I was posting this trade is that here will be the stop losses of the buyers who entered these two breakouts. Then I was speculating that they will be taken out, and of course more sellers will be entering these shorts. But look, here is the average price of the sellers, and I was thinking they will not give them the chance to get out, so they just click on it. You know this feeling when the price just come to your sell entry when you are trapped. For example, when you shorted here, then it's going up, it still did not hit your stop loss because it's here, so it's going up, then you think, okay, good, I'm happy, it's going down, and boom, and they're going up again because they trapped more people. And thanks to these things, I actually know a lot right now, and I can use it everywhere. So for example, look, this Euro GBP, we've been speaking about the Euro GBP, right? When we look to the Euro GBP on the COT, which is here, and let's check this Euro GBP, so we can see, right, how simple is that, how cool and amazing is this. We can see Euro very bullish, right, 117k to the long side, 73% bullish to the 27. Pound exactly opposite, not much longs. Shorts are growing, 61% to the short side, minus 15k contracts, right? So that's bullish. Let's look to the sentiment. Let's look to the sentiment. Let's find Euro GBP, and we can see the traders are shorting. This, you can see how is it cool. So we can see retail traders 79% shorting, and now we have seen that the banks are bullish. Now let's go check the platform. Wow, this trade is kicking ass. So where is it? Euro GBP. So look at it, right? It's bullish. It's bullish. It's moving up, and probably this will continue even higher. So here is the another thing, but I will not do it in this video. This is the COT. Actually, this is what I have shown you right now. We have moved it very forward, and right now I have this. Watch this. I'll click just this volume. It will show you these these periods, and it comes out with the calculation how with just the number. But this is what I will explain in the next videos and about these indicators. Right now, what I have for you, my friends, guys, this is the COT. You have it online right now. You have access to the complete history just with the email which is shared in my Telegram channel. Alright, thank you, and hope this helps you in your trading. Bye bye.